Hello guys, welcome back to the Special 009 channel. This time I will tell you about the facts about mosquitoes. Let's watch the video until the end. Imagine a world without mosquitoes. Sounds wonderful, right? No itching, no annoying ringing in your ears at night. But wait, if mosquitoes were completely gone, the food chain could collapse. Thousands of species of fish, birds, and even bats would lose their primary food source. Nature would be thrown into chaos. Even crazier, mosquito larvae actually function as natural filters in water bodies. They help maintain clean water quality. And did you know? Some studies even show that mosquitoes play a vital role in plant pollination. Fungi. So, this little enemy we hate is actually one of nature's secret workers. Ironically, if we eradicate mosquitoes completely, we ourselves will be the ones slowly heading towards destruction. Imagine a world without the ringing, the itching, the annoying bites. Sounds like heaven, doesn't it? But wait, if mosquitoes were completely eliminated, the effects would be more dire than we think. Thousands of fish and bird species that depend on mosquito larvae for food would starve to death. The food chain would collapse, and the balance of nature would be shaken. Not only that, the water we drink can become even dirtier. Because it turns out, mosquito larvae act as natural filters in water bodies. And most shockingly, some plants depend on mosquitoes for pollination. Without them, the world could lose vital ecosystems that sustain life. So, this tiny enemy we consider disgusting may actually be one of the greatest keys to human survival. Ironic, isn't it? Imagine, every year millions of people suffer from mosquito bites. Illness, pain, even death, all come from these tiny creatures. Logically, nature should have gotten rid of them long ago. But strangely, mosquitoes persist, even multiplying at a phenomenal rate. Why? The answer lies within the ecosystem. Mosquitoes are a primary food source for birds, bats, and small fish. Without them, the chain of life could collapse. Even more surprising, mosquito larvae actually help keep water clean, while some mosquito species even play a role in plant pollination. So, these creatures we hate aren't a mistake of nature, but rather part of a grand plan that maintains the balance of the earth. Ironically, if mosquitoes were to disappear, we would be the ones paying the highest price. Imagine those tiny creatures we've always hated. Mosquitoes. Their buzzing disturbs our sleep. Their bites leave our skin burning and itchy, and they can even carry deadly diseases. But are mosquitoes just bloodsuckers? The shocking fact is that mosquitoes play a vital role in maintaining life on Earth. Their larvae are the primary food source for small fish, birds, and bats. Without mosquitoes, the food chain could collapse instantly. Ocean bird bat. Even crazier, some mosquito species play a role in flower pollination. This means that without mosquitoes, some plants would never reproduce. The irony? These small enemies we consider disgusting are actually important players on the grand stage of the universe. Perhaps it's us who don't truly understand who they are. Explosion. Imagine, scientists who have spent their lives eradicating mosquitoes suddenly discover something surprising. These tiny creatures, thought to be mere carriers of disease, actually hold a hidden secret. Mosquitoes aren't just bloodsuckers. Their larvae act as natural filters in water bodies, filtering out debris and keeping the water clean. Ocean. Even more surprising, some mosquito species help pollinate plants, just like bees. Without them, some plants would fail to reproduce. Flower. And what really shocked scientists, without mosquitoes, the food chain could collapse. Fish, birds, and even bats would lose their primary energy source. Bird-bat-fish. This hated enemy turns out to be one of nature's secret workers. It's ironic. The more we try to eradicate it, the more it becomes clear that we may not be able to live without it. Explosion. Imagine the tiny creatures we consider our #1 enemy. Mosquitoes. Their buzzing makes the night eerie. Their bites itch. And they even carry deadly diseases. But are mosquitoes really just humans' enemies? Behind the terror, mosquitoes actually play a role in maintaining the balance of the Earth. Their larvae are essential food for fish, birds, and bats. Without them, the food chain could collapse. Even more surprising, some mosquito species help pollinate plants, ensuring the survival of the flora that sustains our lives. Flower. Ironically, the creature we hate most may be one of the reasons Earth survives. Eternal enemy? Or invisible guardian? The answer is more complicated than we think. Explosion. Imagine a piercing, buzzing sound in the dark night, then a tiny, burning bite. Everyone agrees, mosquitoes are the enemy. But what if I told you, behind their bites, mosquitoes actually hold a secret superpower? In fact, mosquito larvae don't just live in the wild. They act as natural filters, cleaning water of impurities. Ocean. Even more surprising, some mosquito species help pollinate plants. Without them, some flowers would never bloom. Flower petals sparkles. And the craziest part, mosquitoes are a key part of the food chain. Eliminate them. Thousands of species could be wiped out. The little enemies we always despise are actually the invisible guardians that keep the Earth breathing. Their greatest superpower? Being the foundation of life itself. Explosion.